Fit it, ow. Fit it, oh. Fit it, ow. Fit it, oh. Kitty cat walk, 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 one, kitty cat, kitty cat, wait, say no. I need you to say that, please. Paul wins catwalk with a complete wipeout. All right. So now it's the regular battle. Now performance. Give them something dirty that they can battle to. Come on, Cassandra. Cassandra's out of breath. Come on, sis. I know you can do it.
Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget next Monday night, tag team performance, 600 girls, plus open to all performance as well that night for cash. It's going to be one of those great 700 nights you wish this year, only at Vogue night. Do not forget to catch all the footage on youtube.com/JackMizrahi. And we will get ready for this. This is straight up performance. Let's go, DJ B. Kevin.
Ow! What? No, I'm gonna commentate. Start up, I'm sorry. I was distracted. I gotta... Ow! Bam! Oh! Flip to the kitty cat, one. Flip to the kitty cat, cat. Flip to the give it to me, sir. One. Flip to the give it to me here. Flip to the give it to me, sir. Get to the kitty cat, sir. One. Get to the kitty cat, get to the kitty cat here. Oh, get to the kitty cat, sir. Get to the kitty cat, sir. Oh, get to the kitty cat here. Get to the kitty cat, sir. Oh, get to the kitty cat here. Get to the kitty cat here. Oh, get to the kitty cat here. 1001, ow. 1002, oh. 1003, ow. Hold that pose for me. What the hell? That would have been the easiest 100 on me.
And Nadia says she's going to put up $100 for Kevin to battle whoever won that battle. Now this is what we want to see. Put your money where your mouth is. Put your money where your mouth is. Are you scared? Is it all? Is it all? I just can't think. You want him on Cassandra or him on the winner? Oh no, you want a Legends battle. I'm sorry, Grand Prize Paulina, but they want a Legends battle between Cassandra and Kevin for 100. Are you feeling it, Cassie? She said, whatever, bitch, let's go.